Hello everyone, and today we are reviewing a cordless vacuum cleaner from Ultenic, specifically the U18 PowerPro model. The device comes in this compact package, featuring a schematic illustration of the vacuum itself on the side. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. In the kit you will find user manual, cleaning tool, floor brush, wide upholstery tool, crevice tool, upholstery tool, additional HEPA filter, foldable tube, wall mounting bracket, 2 screws and 2 dowels for wall mounting, 2500 mAh battery, power adapter, and of course, the main building. Straight away I was impressed with how premium it felt compared to previous Ultenic models. It's got a nice weight that makes it feel sturdy, but thankfully it's not so heavy that it becomes tiring to use. With all the accessories you need for cleaning plus the battery, it's about 2.5 to 3 kilograms overall, making it easy to handle even when you're hunting all the dust bunnies for extended periods of time. The Ultenic U18 PowerPro features an elegant modern design that reminded me of a space cannon. It's powered using a trigger, but instead of requiring constant pressing, the trigger works as an on/off button. This helps avoid fatigue when cleaning, especially for those with limited mobility. The wall mount is handy since it keeps the vacuum out of view while also allowing you to charge it. Plus, it enables you to store the crevice tool and the brush if you want. The U18 PowerPro packs a 600-watt motor, and this vacuum boasts a massive 55,000 pascals maximum suction power, which should be enough to tackle any type of dirt, debris, dust, and pet hair on your hard floors and carpets. The dustbin has a capacity of approximately 1.5 liters, which is a huge plus if you dislike emptying it during cleaning. Emptying the dustbin is straightforward. You have to push the buttons on the side of the stick to release the dust bucket, and then press one button on the bin itself to open up the lid and empty the contents. The 6-layer HEPA filtration system also means the air stays cleaner, which is a nice touch if you're sensitive to dust. To clean the HEPA filter, you simply remove it from its housing and tap the dirt and dust off. For a deeper clean, you can run it under the tap and allow it to dry for a full 24 hours before reinserting, or you can simply use the spare filter provided instead. On top of that, there's a smart digital touchscreen display that tells you exactly how many minutes of cleaning you've got left, what suction mode you're in, and the battery percentage when charging. It even alerts you if the brush gets clogged or if the tube needs cleaning. This has to be one of my favorite things about it, especially as touch controls are still pretty rare on cordless vacs in general. There are 3 cleaning modes: carpet, turbo, and floor, which makes it versatile if you've got a mix of hard floors and rugs. I'd say turbo mode is essential for anything with a longer pile though, as the standard carpet mode is really better for short pile. It was easy to assemble the Ultenic U18 PowerPro. The battery, telescopic tube, and floor brush snap into place. It will take you approximately 3 hours to fully charge the battery. One feature that I like about the vacuum cleaner is there are 2 charging options. I chose to put the battery in the main unit and then put the charging adapter plug in the wall outlet to keep everything together. However, there's an option to remove the battery pack from the main unit and then charge the battery separately. This is a convenient option if you decide to buy an extra battery, as you can swap them out and let one battery charge while you're using the other one in the vacuum. The main rotating brush features anti-static properties and is designed to prevent hair entanglement. However, in practice, unfortunately, long hair will still inevitably wind around the brush. Furthermore, the device incorporates green eye technology, which utilizes intelligent sensors to detect hidden dirt, proving to be a welcome addition. Essentially, this consists of a green light directed close to the floor surface, which illuminates dust and hair that are typically invisible to the naked eye. And now, one of the more interesting features. The telescopic wand can bend at a 180-degree angle, creating an L shape that helps you vacuum under furniture without having to bend down yourself. With a single press of a button, the shaft folds down and quickly locks back into place with a noticeable click. In practice, this flexible design definitely makes it easier to clean under beds, sofas, and tables. However, for some reason, there's not the same level of control when the wand is in flex mode. It's almost like the vacuum cleaner has a mind of its own, and it takes a little effort to control the vacuum's direction. This was not a particular problem for me because aside from testing, I kept the telescopic pole in its original position, since this allows it to reach further underneath. I don't have a problem bending over, but if you're considering the Ultenic U16 specifically for the flex feature, keep in mind that it requires a little effort to keep it moving in the right direction. The U18 PowerPro can also stand up by itself, which is always useful in a cordless vacuum for easier vacuum storage, avoiding having to lean it against the wall or screwing in a mount, both of which can result in you having to patch up your walls. Alongside this, you can also remove the stick portion of the appliance to turn the full-size model into something akin to the best handheld vacuum cleaners. I found the suction power of this model to be quite impressive for such an affordable device, and the overall user experience was a pleasure. What I wasn't particularly thrilled with was the vacuum's performance without any attachments. Technically, you can slide a tiny brush over the main vacuum bit and use that to clean out your desk, couch, or car. Ultenic offers an extra anti-mite brush head that would likely do a better job of focusing the vacuum's suction power. Sadly, it's not included with the vacuum, and you'll have to cough up an extra $28 to snag it. Admittedly, the Ultenic U18 PowerPro is a fairly affordable vacuum, so getting the extra accessory won't break the bank. The vacuum features a 2,500 mAh battery that will last you for about an hour if you use the eco-cleaning mode, but it will deplete a lot faster when the turbo mode is activated. Ultenic rounds it up to about 90 minutes of cleaning in standard mode and 26 minutes in turbo mode. Thankfully, the vacuum is efficient enough on the first go, so it won't take you forever to clean the whole house. Judging by its design and overall impression, it is evident that Ultenic is positioning the U18 PowerPro model as an alternative to Dyson products. The brand has completely departed from the minimalist gray aesthetic of the U12 Vaisla, opting instead for red and purple accents that echo the design of Dyson's current lineup. And while Dyson still significantly outperforms its competitor in terms of power and engineering execution, the U18 PowerPro represents a much more affordable option. To sum it up, the Ultenic U18 PowerPro is easily the brand's best cordless vacuum yet, offering an impressive mix of power, smart design, and genuinely useful features at a price that's hard to argue with. It's not perfect, but for everyday cleaning on hard floors and lighter messes, it absolutely delivers. If you're after Dyson-level looks and features without the cost, the U18 PowerPro is a smart choice. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.